Where's your lion cam?
Marine. Hey, palangga. Yay! We are now in Cebu Safari Adventure Park. Yay! Lola with Mary's new hair. Wow! Kuya Marmar. Hi!
Oh no, it's a monkey! Oh no!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the and introducing your host for today, Mr. Dusty.
Good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. Now, my name is Dustin, and I'll be your host for today. Now, everyone, hi! Six flying hosts named Gary, Hardy, Matt, Tony, Prime, and Carl. Now, mga hosts are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning if they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Their main diet, it consists of fruits, palm fruits, nuts. Here's our genuine Makawani, Jumbo. So hi Jumbo, can you wave to the crowd like this? Hi, welcome to Cebu Safari. Now everyone, can you wave back and say, hey, hello Jumbo? Now mga mamas are very long tails with feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from its head down to its tail, with a tail that roughly stands up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? That's 1, 2, that's 1. Good bird. Now as you can see, most of their colors. Say it again one more time. Say wings. Now lastly, makas feet are Zygodactylus, meaning you have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. They can also use their feet to hold on things at land. Now Mr. James here is a groundnut. He will place it into the plastic basket. Now let's see how Jumbo will get his nut. So Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and he got his nut. Nice job, buddy. Now, as I said earlier, Jumbo here letter E. Now, horse spells H-O-R-S-E. Is it correct? Alright, now since he picks up a number 1, how about the second one? Or the last number then? Number 5 and number 4. And he picks up a number 4. Now 5 plus 9 is equals to 14. Is it correct? So Rapinors, they are monogamous type of bird, meaning they can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But if the partner dies, that's the only time. Now Star flies back all the way to Mr. Lawrence, land his arms, and he puts the 500 peso bill back. So round of us, so reflect this parrot name, Star. Rio here. Now Rio here is a male eclectus parrot. Now let's see what he will do. Now he made a shortcut and he made it to the second hoop. Alright, now he flies the first hoop and he made it to the second one. Now he flies to the first hoop and he made it to the. Now for the third one, it is Rudy's favorite. Now Rudy, can you bark? Now for the next one is a telephone ringing. Now for the last one is a whistle. Good job, buddies. Now Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but before they sing, we need to do.
I love you more than
si Bibi, ha? Dito si Bibi.
Good job, buddy. Now, before we proceed to our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Raise your hand. Or within this month? Alright, now, happy birthday. Now, buddies, we have some celebrants here. What will you do next? Again, one more time. Last one. Now see how talented parrots are? They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans use their voices. Sir, now when toucans travel, they don't fly in long distances like other birds. Instead, they hop between branches and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. They have a large and beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like their most of their hunting time is June. So the lure will be handled by Mr. Charles, a bird trainer. The lure will serve as the real food or the real prey, because this bird is going to showcase how sharp his eyesight is and how good he is at catching his food. Now, Mr. Charles, are you ready? Now, we're all set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Nice catch, Hunter. Now, Philippine Hawk Eagle typically hunts from a perch, patiently waiting at the right moment to swoop down his prey. Now, as you can see here, Mr. Charles is wearing a thick gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons and claws of this bird. Now, this bird, it can grow up to 65 to 70 size and how good he is at catching his food. Now, Mr. Charles, are you ready? Now, we're all set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Nice catch, Hunter. Now, Philippine Hawk Eagle typically hunts from a perch, patiently waiting wearing a thick gloves that protects himself from the sharp talons and Philippines. Our Philippine Eagle owl named Boo. Now, Philippine Eagle owl, they are the largest and the best known owl species that can be found here in the Philippines. Now, as you can see, it has a large head and a bulging eyes that can spot a prey up to 2 kilometers away. So when they fly, now, Brahminicae, they practice leptoparasite as a snatching prey of fly. They're formerly known as red-backed sea eagle in Australia, but locally known here in the Philippines as manok in Bisaya and Kulak are striking chestnut brown.
Oh my God!
Now, white-fronted sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the coast. But wait, there's more. Here comes a partner of silver, Marina. Now, a white-fronted 80 to 220 centimeters. Their favorite food in the wild, they mainly. Lastly, a white-bellied sea eagle symbolizes wilderness and freedom. Surrounded by us are white-bellied sea eagle named Silver and Marina. Now, here at Cebu Safari, we're not just dreaming about fun and forgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. Now we work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now let me introduce you the people behind the successful show. My partner here on stage, Mr. James. We also have here other trainers, Mr. Irvin. And to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Now once again, my name is Dustin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the love. Now, for those who want to take pictures of our photographer,
Hi guys, we're going to the tiger. Are we going to the tiger, Mary? Yeah.
Big lucky, wala mo naman.
Baka na.
Ako eh. Itza, ko na Julie, wala mo busog ba? Itza, si Julie. Busog ko eh. Julie din gipain. Agoy, ano? Tubig mo ngayon, gila o. Buk mo yun.
So here's the monkey.
Julie! Julie! Duha ko busog ko si Julie.
Lang, sakyan men po.
Musok ko siya kuluto. Julie!
Ana Julie rin.
Julie! Si Julie yung si Mama. Si Julie yung si Mama.
Ingot si Jollibee kay ikot to.
Ito na. Ano yun rin?
Mo zipline na siya ron. Nang hiwi, Julie, nang hiwi. Mary? Where's the monkey, Mary? Can you point to the monkey?
Masakit.
Where's the monkey? Wala, mag-abot na sila. Si Julie o si Dudong. Dili di ay si ate di ay o si Patoy.
Lihat ka pa rin. Naka.
Dili di ay si ate di ay o si Patoy. Mama tingnan na niya.
Oh no.
Oh no, Patoy gipaak na yan.
What is that? That's a meerkat.
Duck. Kailan no? Duck no? Duck. Tingin mo.
No, just wear that.
We're now going to the giraffe.
Giraffe! Stop!
Oh, hi na.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. Giraffe feeding is about to start. So if you want to be taking a pictures with the giraffe, please form in line here. Then no touching and flash to the
Buti ay ini nga. Giraffe. Oh, ini.
See the giraffe dong.
Sunod ka niya.
Ang wala. Ay, dong. Arigato.
Stay closer, sir. Sa giraffe.
Sunod ka niya.
Okay, next.
Jojo.
Hi, what is that?
Yan, doon lang kayo.
Two. Say hi. Wow. Where's the fish? Hmm? Count the fish, count. One, two.
Bye!
Dahil kumulan, ayun na yun. Tapos na.